Thank you for taking the time today to learn about Symbii's Full Circle Care program. Symbii Full Circle Care addresses one of the most difficult and emotional needs the family members will face after the passing of a loved one. Traditional hospice service provides three major areas of comfort and help for a patient and their family. First, all hospice companies offer physical comfort for the patient towards the end of life. Second, they provide spiritual services to the patient and their family to help them prepare for the passing of their loved one. And third, they have social workers that take care of the much-needed emotional comfort. Throughout this entire process, families are helped through each step until the loved one passes. Keep in mind, these are the same services every hospice service provides. But from the family's perspective, there is still a great need that is often left unaddressed. Symbii Hospice does all this and more by going the extra mile to help the family with this fourth aspect of losing a loved one. And this is what we call full circle care, which is taking care of the financial and estate issues that come at the end of life. Since most hospice companies do not help families with these difficult tasks, I would ask that you take a moment to put yourself in the shoes of these families. If you lost a loved one, would you know what government agencies have to be contacted? Would you know what to do with health insurance, bank accounts, and so on? How would you go about protecting the estate from fraud? Would you know everything that needs to be done? Most families do not know what to do. They are emotionally compromised and do not know where to turn when it comes to getting help with these necessary tasks. Who else can they turn to? Sure, lawyers and CPAs can do some things, but at a significant price tag, and they don't do everything that needs to be done. If you've ever had to deal with Social Security before, you know that it can be a lengthy and frustrating experience. This is where Full Circle Care steps in, to provide a service the family desperately needs. Symbii's Full Circle Care includes handling 4 areas that a family will face after the loss of a loved one. First, we contact government agencies and private pensions. We stop any necessary payments and apply for survivors' benefits. We also help the family understand these processes. Next, we contact all necessary insurance companies, including life and health insurance. We cancel policies, apply for benefits, and update survivors' plans. We then walk the family members through the next steps of estate issues: probate, wills, trusts, vehicle transfer, and so forth. Finally, we give direction on what to do with credit cards, bank accounts, retirement funds, and take measures to protect them from fraud. Over the phone, we walk the family through each task that needs to be done and complete it with them so they don't have to go through this alone. This service is provided to every family that uses Symbii Hospice. By providing the gift of full circle care, Symbii Hospice provides superior service to its families. What would take most families weeks or months of heartache and stress, now with Symbii's help, can frequently be handled in a 1 to 2 hour session with one of our experienced counselors. Every family has the option to use the service free of charge. Full Circle Care counselors do not pretend to be attorneys or CPAs. Should families need legal or tax assistance, we would happily recommend further assistance to these types of professionals. Full Circle Care provides comprehensive help in assisting families in this meaningful way. If we are willing to provide this level of service to the family after one of our patients has passed, imagine the care we give to the patient and the family with the rest of our hospice service. Please let people know that Symbii Hospice provides this great service to the community it serves. Thank you so much for listening.